Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing delicious chicken paratha roll recipe. In a bowl, add 245 grams of boneless chicken breast washed and chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or as required, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, juice of half lime, 2 and 1/4 tablespoon of curd, 2 teaspoons of chicken masala powder, half teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix well. Let it marinate for 20 minutes. In a bowl, add 1 cup of sieved flour. Add salt. Add 1 1/2 tablespoon of oil. Mix well. Add water as required and knead to form a smooth dough. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Knead. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Heat oil in a pan. Add the marinated chicken pieces. Stir it. Cover and let it cook on low flame. Stir in between. Once the chicken pieces are cooked, remove from the pan. In the same pan, add 1 sliced onion, half capsicum cut into long strips, saute for few minutes. Switch off the flame. Sprinkle flour on the work surface. Knead the dough. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Shape the portions into round balls. Roll one dough ball. Apply oil on it. Fold as shown. Roll it. Follow the same steps to make rest of the parathas. Heat oil in a pan. Fry the parathas one by applying oil on it. Fry both the sides on medium flame. To make the sauce in a bowl, add mayonnaise, add tomato sauce, black pepper powder, salt, oregano, mix well. Apply the sauce on the paratha. Place a lettuce leaf. Place the chicken pieces. Place the sautéed vegetables, sauce, grated cheese, roll it, insert a toothpick. Follow the same steps to make rest of the chicken paratha rolls. Remove the toothpick before eating. Delicious chicken paratha rolls are now ready. If you like my videos, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.